morning. For the next 20 hours, you will be listening to DXRX Radio Sincero Zamboanga, a commercial broadcast station owned and managed by ABJ Radio Broadcasting Services under franchise with Audiovisual Communicators Incorporated. DXRX Radio Sincero Zamboanga operates on 93.1 megahertz on the FM band with a rated power of 10,000 watts under permit number BSD-0337-2023 and license number 2088 issued by the National Telecommunications Commission to expire on October 29, 2026. DXRX Radio Sincero Zamboanga is operated and maintained by the following first-class radio telephone operators duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission. Jovito F. Rebolios, Chief Technician, with license number 96-1PIX-17777. Arnold P. Nagare, license number 96-1PIX-16394. Oscar S. Macapili, license number 95-1PIX-14322, Operations Technicians. Our studios, office, and transmitter are located in Presa Mayor, Barangay Tumaga, Zamboanga City, Philippines. DXRX Radio Sincero Zamboanga is now signing on. Este el 93.1 Radio Sincero FM, el radio de todo.
Broadcasting live in the heart of Zamboanga City, home of classic and great music. This is 93.1 FM, Radio Sincero, Suerte.
Paborito mo ba ang OPM? Tumutok na sa 93.1 Radio Sincero, Pinoy Hour. Pinoy Hour. Mga musikang made in the Philippines. Pinoy Hour on 93.1 Radio Sincero Zamboanga. Pinoy Hour. Purely Pinoy. Pinoy Hour.